Town, friends! Bloop Town is full of everyday heroes. Nurse Willow helps people feel better. Listen to that heartbeat.
Firefighter Blaze keeps everyone safe from fires. Whoosh! Down the pole! Before every call, I check all my equipment to make sure everything is ready to help.
Officer Paws helps everyone cross the street safely. What do you love most about your job?
I love helping keep our whole neighborhood safe and getting to know everyone here.
Mail Carrier Pip delivers letters and packages to everyone in town.
Every letter I deliver makes someone's day a little brighter. Wow! Yay!
All 4 helpers gathered together to celebrate a job well done. Every single one of you makes Bloop Town a safer, kinder place to live.
Say thank you to the helpers in your life. Follow Bloop Town for more. Subscribe to Bloop Town for a new learning adventure every week. See you next time, friends!